Are you struggling to catch your breath amidst stress? Let's change that right now. I've been there and I'm here to help you reclaim your peace in just 5 simple exercises. Welcome to Blissful Body Journey. I'm Karen Gottlieb and I want to share something that transformed my life. I faced my own battles with anxiety for a long time. These techniques have not only helped me, but have also empowered many of my clients to find relief. Today we'll focus on the vagus nerve, a powerful ally in your body's stress management system. It runs from your brainstem to your gut, controlling vital functions like heart rate and digestion. By stimulating this nerve, we can activate your body's natural calming response. When I use these techniques, I feel the weight of anxiety lift very quickly. I'll guide you through these 5 exercises to help you experience that immediate relief from stress, anxiety, and tension. So let's not waste another moment. Okay, so we're going to soothe the vagus nerve by massaging on the inside of the ear. You don't want to go deep into the canal of your ear, but just like on the inside here. And both fingers at the same time, and just massage circularly, forwards, and just gently. Good, for about 30 seconds. Make sure you're breathing. Good, in through your nose, out through the mouth, or in through the nose and out through the nose, whichever you prefer. Right? And then we're gonna go to the outside of the ear, right behind it, and also do some massaging here, just up and down. Up and down. Good, and just take deep breaths again. Good, inhale. It's kind of like, it reminds me of my dog likes to be rubbed here right behind the ears. So it's similar. Good, just like right behind your ears. In, breathe. Right around the bones here behind your ears. To soothe your vagus nerve some more, we're going to use a bit of a neck stretch and turning the eyes in the sockets. You want to keep the head forward the whole time you're doing this exercise. You're mostly just going to turn the eyes in the sockets. Bring one hand back behind your back, okay? Drop the shoulder down, push the armpit to the floor, and gently take your head over to the side. Make sure you're pushing your shoulder away more than you're pulling the neck. Be gentle with the neck here. Then the eyes are gonna turn in the sockets and look over the shoulder you're stretching. And you're gonna hold this for about 30 seconds. Take some deep breaths. Focus on relaxing. Right? My head, you notice, is staying straight ahead. It's my eyes in the socket that are turning. And this is, the vagus nerve is attached to your eyes. So this is why we do this. Good, and then we're gonna slowly come out of it, and then you're gonna do the other side. So hand behind the back a little bit, push the armpit to the floor. Good, bring the hand over the head. Make sure you're not pulling too hard on the neck. And then you're turning the eyes in the sockets, not the whole head, to look over the shoulder that's stretching. And make sure you're breathing. Pushing the armpit away towards the floor. Good. Maybe lifting the ear towards the ceiling like you're trying to listen to something on the ceiling. Taking some more breaths. Keeping the eyes turned. Good. And then just slowly come out of that. Be careful with your neck. You can roll out the shoulders a few times and let your head just float like a balloon over your shoulders. First thing we're gonna do is lie down flat on your back. So you look straight ahead and then just turn your eyesight, your eyes in the socket, to the right without moving your head. Keep breathing, and then after about 30 seconds, come back to center, and then you're going to turn the eyes to the left. Without moving the head, you're just looking with the eyes. Keep breathing. Good, and come back to center. Okay, the next exercise to soothe your vagus nerve, we're gonna just take 2 fingers, okay, and this is your occipital bone back here. Okay, you're gonna find the occipital bone, take these 2 fingers, and just put a little pressure in towards your spine here, your cervical spine. Just pushing in towards the cervical spine and under the bone there. And you're just hold it and breathe for about, 30 seconds. It could take even less time. Then staying on the same side, you're going to take the fingers and press outwards. So you're going to take some pressure here, push out towards the outside now. Good, and just breathe, holding the pressure. About 30 seconds. Anything you have time to do is still helpful, so don't skip it if you feel like you don't have a full minute. Even if just doing this a little bit during the day, I find is still helpful for me. Good, and then release, sitting at a stoplight or something like that. So then we'll do the other side. So the two fingers will go under the occipital bone, right? And just press in towards your cervical spine. You might notice that you're more tense on one side than the other, and that's totally normal. And breathe. Just try to let it melt there. Just think of, something warm. Think of the ocean. Good. Just keep breathing. Good. And then we're going to take the same two fingers. They're about in the same spot, but we'll take the pressure and feel like you're pushing outwards. Good. Instead of in towards the spine, we're going away. Good. And just breathe. Again, think of the ocean. Think of butterflies or flowers. Good, and then release. Good, and that's it. Roll out your shoulders a little bit. Again, think of your head like a balloon. Okay, this next one is silly. You kind of look silly doing it, but it's also very effective. Something you could just do like while you're sitting at a red light in your car as well. It kind of reminds me of my dad, because he always used to stick his tongue out when I took his picture, like big silly faces and things like that. So you're going to take your thumbs, okay, and put them under your chin and put a little pressure up into there. And then you smile, basically, make like a large grimace and stick your tongue out. So it'll look like this. Okay, just hold it for like 10 to 30 seconds if you want to hold it longer. Good, and then release it. And do it several times during the day and just see if you feel a difference. It sends the vagus nerve, which goes down both sides of your neck, those signals. It opens up the ears. It's silly to do a little bit, but it's very effective. Thanks for joining me. I hope you felt the benefits of stimulating your vagus nerve and that these exercises bring you peace whenever you need it. Remember, every small step you take towards your well-being is a step towards a brighter tomorrow. Let's finish today with a powerful affirmation. So close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. I am calm, I am centered, and I embrace serenity in my life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little peace in their life today. Until next time, I'm Karen Gottlieb of the Blissful Body Journey channel. Stay blissful, my friends.